Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge. If you need to access older websites that require Internet Explorer, or if you want to turn off this feature, follow these steps. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. In the left panel, click on Default Browser. Under the Internet Explorer Compatibility section, you will see an option labeled Allow Sites to be Reloaded in Internet Explorer Mode. Click the drop-down menu next to it. To enable IE mode, select Allow. If you want to disable it, select Don't Allow. Now, if you enable IE mode, you can open a website in this mode by typing the URL inside Internet Explorer Mode Pages. Just click on Add next to it. This page now will always open in Internet Explorer Mode. If you no longer need to use Internet Explorer mode, simply go back to Settings, Default Browser, and check the option back to Don't Allow Restart Edge to apply changes. To make sure IE mode is fully functional, check if your Windows updates are up to date, press Windows key, type check for updates, and install any available updates. If Internet Explorer mode is not working, you might need to enable the Internet Explorer Compatibility feature in Windows Settings. Press Windows R, type Optional Features, and press Enter. Scroll down and check if Internet Explorer is enabled. If not, enable it and restart your PC. That's it. You now know how to enable or disable Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge. If this guide was helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.